Welcome to ICS 101. Let's take a look at how to view the eText material within My Lab IT, or commonly known as My IT Lab, and how you can find them and how you can read them and those kinds of things. I'm going to show you the way to do it via course materials. Now, there are a couple different ways to do it, but for me, this is the easiest way. I'm going to click on course materials. And, I have some stuff that you don't have. But course materials here. It takes a while to paint up, by the way. And then what you do is, here at the very top, you see something called Exploring Series, and then another thing called Technology in Action. The Exploring Series is for your Microsoft applications that we will be covering this semester, including Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, and the like. Yeah. The Technology in Action has to do with your information technology concepts, the different things that you should be knowledgeable of in the field of information technology. You will be quizzed on chapters 1 through 9. Let's take a look at the Exploring Series first. Now it's going to take a couple clicks, so you have to be patient. Just kind of let it paint up. It's going to take a few seconds. And then your browser will have to allow a pop-up. So if this guy doesn't appear here, then you make sure that you can allow a pop-up. Now, I'm not going to maximize my screen here just because Zoom, gives me some problems when I need to minimize the screens afterwards. So I'm going to just kind of show you when it pops up, yeah? Here in the top left corner, there's 3 bars of it. That's a menu, and you can take a look at each of the chapters as you go by. And within the chapters, there are different concepts that, covered both in the quizzes as well as inside of the greater projects. So hands-on exercises if you want to practice and the like. Yeah. So, again, this is how you can go through the eText material. Now, once again, it covers, and I'm going to collapse this, covers Words, chapters 1 through 4, Excel, chapters 1 through 4, Access, chapters 1 and 2 only, yeah? And then PowerPoint, chapters 1 through 4, yeah? So that's what the Exploring Series covers. Now, you can search for different contexts. So say, for example, I am looking for just some information on what is a spreadsheet. So I go over here, type it in, and I can find a lot of different listings for what a spreadsheet is. Oh, inserting a table into a spreadsheet. Well, it jumps into that part of the eText that will give you some assistance in how to insert a table within Excel. So that's the Exploring Series. Now I'm going to come back here and I'm going to click on My Course. Yeah, and again, I'm going to take a few seconds to paint up. Then I'm going to take a look at the Technology in Action. Again, it takes a couple clicks and it operates just the same as Exploring Series. So a couple clicks here, yeah, and then a pop-up appears, right? Once again, the pop-up, I'm not going to maximize it because Zoom gives me problems on these things, right? But you can go ahead and find different chapters. And again, you will be tested on chapters 1 through 9, not 10, 11, 12, 13, right? Only 1 through 9. But if you wanted to see what is chapter 9, you can go ahead and see what a computer virus is, those kinds of things. And once again, you can search for different kinds of content, such as, what is malware? Those kinds of things. What is a malware? Well, you can click on it. You can find out the definition for what is a malware. Yeah, software that is intended to render a system temporarily or permanently useless. Yeah, so this is how you view your eText material.